Chris Foot aimed to be the first person to ski unsupported and unassisted to and from the South Pole. With a pulk weighing 150 kilograms, he set off on the journey of only over 1,400 miles from Hercules Inlet, which is the point where the land meets the sea ice. Thanks to Ricky, Lisa and I were lucky to get a ride in the Twin Otter to see him off, with the only other people there being the pilot and the camp doctor. After one night at Union Glacier Base Camp, we set off into the Nimbus Hills. Skiing with two sleds was hard at first, but we soon got used to it and the stunning views helped. Here we're skiing downhill, which made it much easier. We also got a chance to climb a few mountains. Here we're climbing up a snow gully to the top of Charles Peak, which is 900 metres high. We had to use crampons and ice axes for walking on the snow and ice, and had to get roped up to cross some of the ridges safely. There are great views down to the blue ice runway where the Aleutian lands, and also to the snout of the glacier in the distance. We set up some beautiful camps while on expedition, and were even lucky enough to see a circular rainbow, which appear when the sun is low in the sky and its rays catch the thin vapour of ice crystals which lie in the atmosphere 6 miles above the Earth's surface. Wherever we travelled though, our guides were constantly looking at and checking the snow for any indication there might be crevasses. That's the pass we came down yesterday. That's Mount Capley. That's the way we're heading. And up there in the mist is Mount Sporley. And here, in our tent, is Lisa cooking. Let's see what she's up to. Say hello!
Hi!
I only need to put the pan on, but the water we left in here last night. Oh! It's mostly frozen. Into a big lump.
Melting snow. The key bits of our food are
Crispo. Best bit ever. Item of the day number 1.
Zuko!
We also have hot chocolates.
Mm.
We have cereal bars.
Mm.
We have dried fruits.
Mm.
Soups.
Mm.
And the key bit, chocolate.
Oh, we've got lots of chocolate. We also have dried food over there.
That's the dried food.
So we've got beef
pork casserole.
Yeah, we've got salami. We've got cheese. And rather disgustingly, it's all next to
the pea bottle.
Yes, as you can see, this is currently empty. Oh, no, actually, there's a little bit in there, isn't it? That's not good. Okay.
In the distance here you can see Mount Sporley, a 2,255 metre mountain which has never been climbed and which we hope to do a first ascent of. Unfortunately, when we got here we were stuck in camp for 3 days with strong winds of up to 30 knots, and it was not safely enough for us to attempt a first ascent. Okay, what are we doing, Lisa?
We're sitting and waiting to see if we can go off further up the valley, but it's getting windier and windier and windier, and we're getting more and more scared.
What's the temperature outside?
Minus 30 something.
36.
36.
With wind chill.
It's really sunny today, but it's really windy. We've not had it this windy before.
Hello Tim and Russ, how are you today?
Hello there, Lindsay.
Have you had a good day?
You've had a wonderful day today.
What have you been doing?
It's been very, very,
What
very
have you done
cold.
today, Mr. Mile?
Today I've mostly been spending the day getting cold. -38 it has been today. That's with wind chill, of course. But yeah, a little bit chilly, sir.
I've done pretty much the same. I stayed in bed all day.
Oh! Did you get bored or were you okay?
Really?
Oh no.
I was devouring my book, having a cuppa, having dinner, chocolate. What else do you want?
Excellent.
In Antarctica.
Lisa, what you doing?
Put my makeup on.
Why?
Because I'm bored. And it's been 2 weeks since I've had any on. So I'm trying to make myself look gorgeous.
That's alright, we got it! We gotta get this shit.
So you can see our track. That's where we came from, that valley over there. So the range on the right is the Donald Ridge and the left is the Capeley Ridge. And that's the Driscoll Glacier, sorry. And that's the other valley on the other side of the Donald Ridge, and that's the Ronald Ridge. And then that's more or less where we came from, the Buchanan Hills and the Nimbus Range. High-tech camera. You can see the blue ice. You can see the runway, very nice. Look at the snow coming.